What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded Monday. I'm very sorry for that. I'm gonna try and stick to my schedule of Monday, Friday, or maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something like that. I just need to get a good mic and good mic quality for me to film regularly. So yeah, we're back. You know, we gained 2 subscribers. 2. We're not 53. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're really doing good. Today we're going to be talking about the air filter. It is a part on a car and truck. So this air filter on older cars is a circle or oval, and that goes directly on top of the engine and sits on the carburetor with a little wing nut. It's very simple to change that. All you got to do is take off the wing nut, lift up the air filter, take it out, clean it, put the new one in, drop it in, put that wing nut back on, and you're done. All you got to do is do one nut. And it's pretty easy. On newer cars, however, you don't have, just that little wing nut. You have a lot of parts that you have to disassemble from your car to get to that air filter. Sometimes it's usually a clip or a couple clips. So what I would suggest is actually buying a K&N air filter. I use them quite regularly. And they add maybe 2 to 3 horsepower to your car. And they're not like paper filters. They're not, you just throw them away after, 6 to 12 months after you're using them. You just basically wash it off. Put the little solution, it's like a red solution that they put in there, and plop it back in, and then you're done. There's nothing to it. It adds an extra 2 to 3 horsepower. So, I mean, if you want to impress your friends, you're gonna gain 2 to 3 horsepower. You can tell them your lap times are now faster and your car has 2 to 3 more horsepower. So basically I just like using K&N just because I feel like the paper filters, they're not as good, and you just throw them out. You use K&N. Sure, they might be a little more costly, but I mean, they're gonna save you hassle in the long term, and it's really easy to just rinse out that filter, put the new solution in, and plop it back into your car. Now, on older cars, they also have the K&N air filter, and I would also suggest using that. Even though it just filters your air out, you want the best air to get into your engine. So that is pretty much all the air filter does. It doesn't do a whole lot, and there's not much to explain on the air filter, but I mean, there are different types, like the paper air filter and the K&N air filter, which is a higher tier. It's basically like if you were to buy the standard oil filter or a Wix oil filter, they're kind of the same thing like that. But I think it does save you more in the long term, so I would go with the K&N air filter. So go pick one up, increase your horsepower from 2 to 3 horsepower on your car. Make your Honda Civic go really, really, really fast with that new K&N air filter. And yeah, stay tuned till next video. Hey guys, before you guys go, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like more videos like this. I'll have more car informative videos coming soon, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, hopefully. And make sure to turn on post notifications when you subscribe so you do not miss another upload. Also, make sure to like my videos. It really helps the algorithm. Even though you're giving me a view, also give me a like to support it. It shows that you really care about the content and you want more of it. And also comment down below video suggestions that you have for future videos, because I don't really have an upload schedule or, a subject of what I'm doing next. So if you want me to cover something in the next video, just leave it down below. And comment down below your favorite old car. I want to know what your favorite old car is, because I mean, I love old cars, but I just want to know, if you only had one choice to buy one old car without a spending limit, it could be like a Bugatti or something. Let me know what that is down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.